What's up, everybody? It's just a quick little video. We just got a new 2021 Chevrolet Tahoe, and I was very impressed with the exhaust that came with the truck factory. Well, I don't mean to call it a truck, but you know, the SUV. I'll just say it's a truck because it's as big as my truck. But the SUV Luxury Premier Edition Tahoe. I'll go ahead and give my personal review of the vehicle after we've had it for about a week or two. It's been real busy, so I'm just gonna go ahead and throw this up here because it was quick and easy to do. The exhaust just really did blow me away. It sounds really good, really, really good. So there's nothing to do there, but we're looking to get maybe some 22-inch rims and tire aftermarket. So yeah, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Catch you guys later.